In the early 1960s, Aston Martin introduced the DB4 GT, a car that would define an era. With its distinctive design, it captured the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. Under the hood, the DB4 GT was equipped with a 3.7-liter inline-six engine, producing 302 horsepower, allowing it to reach a top speed of 151 mph. It was a true performance marvel. The DB4 GT was more than just a beautiful car. It was a competitive racer. It dominated the track and brought home numerous victories, including at the 1959 Le Mans 24 Hours. This legendary car was exclusive, with only 75 units ever produced. Each one was meticulously crafted, making it a collector's dream. The Aston Martin DB4 GT left an indelible mark on the automotive world. Its design and performance have influenced generations of sports cars, and it continues to be an icon today.